Yeah. I need to get gas. I put a little bottle of gas today. Yeah, like I got a little canister. So you know one of those like water bottles that people give away? So one of those tin ones, like the steel ones. I don't even know, dude. It has like no brand, nothing. And I used that. It's like this big, and I just poured it in. Go ahead. Ooh, so bright. New headlight is so bright. I like it. Pretty sweet bike, man. Pretty sweet bike. Is it belt drive? I think it's belt drive.
You need to get gas?
I need to get gas. I don't know how much I have. We can go to the one on Gridley.
How about the one on...
Shell? Gas! Go! It's out! I told them I was running out of gas. So yeah, I'm like casually walking down this street with my motorcycle. It's out of gas! It's out of gas. Oh, it's getting hot. Nice. So this is my second time in life where I ran out of gas and actually stopped.
I ran out. Same thing. One time on this, one time on that one.
Oh, you know what's funny? The first time I ever ran out of gas on a bike was my first SV650. Whatever, we can go to Shell and then we'll pick up like a Gatorade bottle or Walgreens, it doesn't matter. Yeah, and then we'll just down it and then I'll just get like a bottle of gas. My bike's out of gas. There's a gas station around the corner, which is like 300 feet, 200 feet. I could walk there, or I could tool up. And you know what I'm doing, because I'm already geared up. Yeah.
Oh, I have...
Alright, I'm ready. Hey, this is... Hold on. Oh, where's the peg? Okay. You good? Yeah. Okay, I'm good. It's not bad. Feels nice. So the plan is we're gonna go to Shell. We're gonna empty out a bottle, probably like a water bottle, and then we'll just put gas so that I can get the bike started, just enough to start it. And once that's started, it's obvious I'll go to a gas station and refill the bike up all the way. Ooh, what the? His bike died. Didn't die. Bump. Ooh, bumpy.
Gotta wait.
Yeah. Safety first, man. Safety first.
One eternity later.
Okay. Let's get this. You don't have like paper towels, huh? Whatever.
Really nicely.
It's gonna be hard. I suck at this.
Let me see if I have any...
It's okay, I'm gonna do it. Oh yes, I got it. No drops.